Welcome guys, today I got a couple of MGTEC MG877K SATA 3 SSDs. These are 120 gig capacity solid state drives, and I will be using them for my future computer builds for the improvement of boot up times. Let's see what's inside the box. Opening the box gives us the SSD itself. So it's SATA 3. As you can see, this is the power connector and then the data connector, along with this product manual, but it's in Korean. Hopefully you can get an English version in their website. MGTEC, by the way, is a Korean brand, so they make reliable SSDs. And the SSD is packaged with this protective foamy material. So that's it. That's my unboxing of the MGTEC 120 gig SSD. See you in the next video.